Welcome back to the Cape Coral for Buyers in Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about it. It has 2,350 square feet on the air. It has a 3-bedroom plus den, 3 bath, and it was built in 2019. And as you can see, it's beautiful. I mean, the landscaping, it's just perfect. You have a nice 3-car garage. And now when we go inside, you're going to see what beautiful details this home has inside. Okay, it's an open plan. The ceilings are from 10 to 13 feet throughout the house. And the master bathroom is just beautiful. And the pool outside is great. And it also is on a freshwater canal. So it has a lot of things inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's go through this beautiful double glass door entrance. And you're welcome here with a foyer. And as you can see, when you come into this house, you have the beautiful view of the pool. Okay, as soon as you come in, and this open space. So if you're looking for a home with an open space that offers you a lot of square footage, this might be the home for you. Okay. So as you come in here, to my right, you got the den here and a lot of area where the living room is, but we'll go back to that later. Let me show you first this entrance. Check it out. So over here you got your den. And now we're gonna go and show you this big space that this area has here. Let me go here to the corner first. Let me show you this kind of bar they built out over here. I like the decoration with the wall. Okay, let me stand in this corner here so you can see the whole area here. As you can see, it's a big area. I like also the tile, the plank tiles. Very nice. Very bright. You have this beautiful island here. It's really spacious. You got all your stainless steel appliances. Check out the nice granite. Plenty of shelves and drawers. You have your pantry there at the end there on the right. And over here you got here's your pantry. So this kitchen has everything most people want. Here's your dishwasher, more cabinets. And when you stand here, you're in the middle of the room. So if you have guests, it's great. You can have actually 3 people sitting in front of you there, and you could be talking to everybody in the living room, in the dining room. Very open complex. A lot of people like this. Okay, please comment below what do you think about this open complex. I would like to hear from you. Check out the dining room here. Very beautiful view of the pool while you're having your dinner. Another look at the nice island. Now let's go ahead and show you the laundry room. Here you got your washer and dryer, and you have a space to hang all your clothing over here on the side. I like the way that they decorated with the laundry room sign. And you have over here space for shelving, and also they have here an extra refrigerator. So you can see this home looks like a model home. Everything's just beautiful. Check out this beautiful garage here. Check out the lighting and the floor. Also, you have a side door that leads out. You know, it's really good. A lot of homes don't put those side doors, and it's nice to have because when you take out the trash, you don't have to go take it out through the front of the house, through the garage. So you just take it out there on the side. Very good to have. Now we're gonna go ahead and walk back, and let me show you a little bit of the area here, and we're gonna go into the bedrooms. Okay, so let's go here to the right. This is bedroom. Let's call this bedroom number 1. There's plenty of space. It's very spacious, as you can see. It's a very big bed. I'm sorry about the lighting. Actually, in this these fans, they have this yellow light on them, so the lighting doesn't look as good. I mean, the camera has a lot of issues when you go from white, like from here, white light, it looks perfect because that's what the camera is set for. But when you go into those rooms that they might not have the right lighting, it kind of get darker. So I'm sorry about that. I'm trying just to do a walkthrough. That's basically how my video style. Over here, you got this bathroom, very nice. And you look at the tile work, and this bathroom works as a pool bath also. So it gives a bathroom to this room, and you also have a pool bath that if you have guests in the pool, they can also use this bath here. So it's bathroom here, so it's pretty cool. Okay, now over there is your walk-in closet. Now over here, let's show you the guest bathroom. Okay, you have beautiful vanity, granite countertop, and another bathroom with the really nice tile work on the shower. Okay, now let's go ahead to bedroom number 2. As you can see, also very spacious. You have your walk-in closet at the end. And I'm sorry about the lighting again. It has the lighting from the yellow light from the fan. Over here, that's your walk-in closet. Let me show you. See, I'm showing you this closet because it's empty. When I'm doing homes that are being lived, I don't like to open the closet doors because I don't like to show their personal clothing stuff. So that's when we get, that's why I didn't show you the last closet or the master closet, because they have a lot of clothing inside. I don't want to, it's, I only show the closets, most of the closets, if they're empty or if it's a new construction. Okay, so now let's go ahead and I'll go over to the master bedroom. Let me show you here the space here. And let's go over to the master bedroom. Very open. Look at this master bedroom, very spacious. And you also have the sliders that lead out to the pool on the lanai. We'll get to that as soon as I finish now with this room and the master bathroom. So we'll go outside, and you're gonna really like that because remember, it's also freshwater canal, so it's very nice. So let's just walk around the master bedroom so you can visualize the size. See, very nice big size, very nice. Okay, over here, closet number 1, closet number 2. I can tell you they're nice size and they're very nice. So over here, this is the bathroom I was talking about. Check out the nice tub as you come in. Check out the vanity with the granite countertop on one side, and then you have your toilet closet over here with a window, because a lot of people like to have a window there. And then you have your towel closet there. And check out this tub. Isn't this nice? I like how they decorated this home. And as you can see, this home is just picture perfect. I mean, it's just beautiful how neat everything is and how clean everything is. It's very beautiful. They're well maintained. And these are the 2 windows I show you from the front of the house. So here's where the shower is. Very spacious shower. Another look here at the tub. Check it out. After a hard work week, you could just lay down your tub and just relax. Okay, and you also have another closet on that other side there, so that's really nice to have. Plenty of space in the bathroom. Okay, so now we're gonna start our walk back to the living room, and then we're gonna come out on the lanai area and swimming pool, and then we'll go out see the freshwater canal. So let's take one more look. Okay, let me adjust my lens here because we're going outside. And check out this beautiful pool out here. Sorry, it just looks a little dark. The thing is, if I increase the lens, then probably the pool, you wouldn't be able to see it. So now here's your lanai. Okay, I'll give you a better look at it when I go outside and then come back in. So check out the pool. That's why I adjusted the lens, so you can see this nice colors out here. You got all this area here. Had plenty of space for sunbathing, and if you want to put a table out here, it will also work great. Okay, and remember, this lanai offers you a bar and an outdoor kitchen. So wait until we get closer to it. Check out the nice size of the pool. Okay, and remember, you have a pool bath that leads to that is on the side there that I showed you from inside the home. Check out this beautiful pool with a nice spa. Check out the entrance with the stairs. Then you can come out. It comes out through this corner. You can walk in. Check out this beautiful spa here. And as you can see, everything looks immaculate. I see that they have some lights here hanging on the columns here. That would be very good at night. Like I said before, now I'll be able to show you better. Check out the nice outdoor kitchen. You got your refrigerator. You got like two stoves there with the barbecue. You have a beautiful bar, nice flat screen TV area, so you can hook up a TV here. And let me come over here. You also have another refrigerator behind the bar. I'm sorry about the lighting. As soon as the camera picks up the light from outside, it turns dark. You adjust here the lens a little so you can see the refrigerator. Today is such a bright day. I mean, if I would maybe come a little bit earlier, it wouldn't be this bright and you'll be able to see better the one night. But check out the steps to go into the pool. It has this edge here for privacy on the side here, so that's why you can't see the canal. So now let's go outside and take a look at the canal. I like what they did on the side of the home. They added all these rocks here, so very nice. Look at all the pool equipment, pool heater, and it's a saltwater pool, so if you like that. Okay, you have a nice hedge here for privacy. And check out the canal. You even have a little lift for your kayaks. Check out the beautiful view. Well, I just want to let you guys know that if you like this home or like any home out there and would like more information, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate over here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida area for over 20 years, and we would love to help you find your dream home. Okay? If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and also, if you can, hit the like button, so that really helps me promote my videos in the YouTube algorithm. One thing for our participating subscribers already, I want to let you guys know I'm going back to the format that I had last year, that I'm going to start doing more videos around Cape Coral and Southwest Florida, so you guys can see and feel how is it to live here. Okay, so if you're interested in that, remember, stay tuned for my subscriber, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So thank you for watching, and if you like to continue watching all the videos, you could click this one right here. Thank you again, and see you on the next video.